SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine result pages. Yes, what we call SERPs, Search Engine Results Pages. Yes, for example, if you run a bakery in Lagos and your website appears on search engine result page when someone searches for best cupcakes in Lagos, then it can be said that your website is optimized on a search engine. Yes, as you know, Google is a search engine. Now, for the fact that your website shows up when people search for this, it will definitely help you increase the number of organic traffic that is sent to your website. Yes, I mentioned the word organic. This means that you are not paying for this traffic that is being sent to your website, as it were. It is free. That word organic means free. Yes, it is possible for you to actually pay for you to appear on the search engine result pages, but that's not what we're talking about. What we are talking about is you appearing on that search engine result page without making payments for it. And as you know, the higher your website ranks on search engines, then more people are likely to visit it. And this definitely will lead to more sales. So basically, SEO helps your website get discovered on the internet. Now, whether you are a business owner or a marketer or someone who is just curious about knowing how search engine works, this video is for you, because in this video, I will not just show you the basic information on what SEO is, I would show you how SEO works and show you the 3 main important things you must do for your website to appear on the search engine result pages. If you are seeing my videos for the very first time, I say a big welcome to you, because you have found one YouTube channel that would not just show you tips on how to grow your business, but would also show you the legal ways on how you can make money online. So to ensure that you always see videos when we post them, ensure you hit the like button and ensure that you subscribe to this channel. Also turn on post notifications so you're notified when we drop amazing videos like this. So how does SEO work? Now, search engines like Google, Wikipedia, and the rest of them uses algorithm to determine the relevance and rankings of a website. Now, these algorithms considers a whole number of factors before they put your website on that first page. Now, these factors are so many, but they can be grouped into 3 main categories. Now, these categories are the on-page SEO 1, we have the off-page SEO 2, and we also have the technical SEO. So I'm going to explain what these 3 aspects of SEO are. So when you understand once the 3 of them are, it can now be possible for you to implement them on your website, then helping your website to rank on the first page of these search engines, for example, Google. So now let's talk about the on-page SEO, as we mentioned that it is the first category of the factors that Google considers. What is this on-page SEO? Now, on-page SEO involves optimizing individual pages of your website to rank higher. It involves you putting in key elements on these pages. Elements like ensuring that the pages has relevant keywords on them. It also involves you ensuring that you have high quality content on these pages. And definitely it involves you optimizing the meta tag and ensuring that your website is user friendly. Now let me go practical. Take for example, we want to optimize this website, V.S.L concept.com, on a search engine, for example, Google. What we are saying is that all the individual pages will actually be optimized for a particular keyword. For example, we are optimizing this home page for this keyword ICT Academy in Lagos. That's basically what we are optimizing for. So when someone goes over to Google and search for ICT Academy in Lagos, we actually want our website to come up as part of the result on the first page that it brings up. So what we're saying is this home page is one page that will be optimized for this particular keyword. Now, if you observe, you go down, you are going to see that the website has so many other pages. For example, this digital marketing page. If you click on this learn more button, you see that it takes you up to a different page separately on its own. Now, this page would also have to be optimized for its own keyword. And this page is being optimized for what? Digital marketing training. So it means that all the pages on your website will actually be optimized for individual keywords that would help them rank on the search engine. Please understand what the on-page SEO means. You must ensure that you optimize all the individual pages one after the other on your website to ensure that they rank for a particular keyword on that page. We also mentioned that it is very important that you have your keyword cut across areas on your page. Yes, it must be there in the headline. It must also be there in the paragraphs. You should also include those keywords in the image descriptions on your website. What do I mean? Now, we have said that the keyword that we're optimizing on this page is what? ICT Academy in Lagos. Now, there should be a paragraph carrying that keyword, ICT Academy in Lagos. Now, there should also be a title carrying that keyword, ICT Academy in Lagos. Can you see this title? ICT Academy in Lagos. And also the image should carry tags that has that keyword. The very next thing that you have to optimize for your on-page SEO to actually be done or marked as complete is to optimize your metadata. Now, what is the metadata? As you can see on my screen here, this metadata basically shows what your website or that web link would show us when people actually search for the keywords on the search engine. For example, you can see that this metadata here has a title, ICT Academy in Lagos. It has the keyword in it. You also observe that the description also has ICT Academy in Lagos. It has the description in it, and the rest of them. So the metadata is something that is extremely important that you do on every page. Ensure you optimize it accurately for you to get the desired result and for you to mark your on-page SEO as complete. Remember, that is the very first category that we mentioned at the beginning. Now, if you know that you are getting value from this mind-blowing information I'm giving out to you, ensure you hit the like button, like this video, and go down to the comment section below and comment that you are getting value from this content. The very second category that we mentioned on the onset is the off-page SEO. Now, this off-page SEO basically focuses on building your website reputation and authority through external means. Now, before you can actually rank on that first page, Google or the search engine is saying that a whole lot of other websites has to actually reference you as one that is credible. This is basically what we call backlinking on SEO. So backlinks basically are links from other reputable websites that are linking to your website. Now, the more high quality backlinks that you have, the more credible your site appears on a search engine. Now, a very good way to build backlinks is basically referencing your website pages from social media marketing and the rest of them. We also have the opportunity of doing what we call guest blogging. We also have the opportunity where you do what we call influencer outreach. All of these things are the things that would actually build up your backlink score while you are sure that you have completed the off-page SEO that we are talking about. Remember, the major reason or focus of the off-page SEO is to help increase your online presence and also help build trustworthiness. Then the search engine will know that you are reliable. Now we go over to the very third aspect of the category that we mentioned at the beginning. We mentioned technical SEO. Now, this technical SEO involves you optimizing the back end of your website to help search engine crawl and index your website more effectively. This includes you optimizing your site speed. It includes you ensuring that your website is mobile friendly. It includes you creating sitemaps and fixing any crawling issues that may come up. So naturally, you have to submit your website to Google via Google Search Console and the rest of them. And you have to ensure that your website site speed is 100%. By the time you actually ensure that you have done all these technical SEOs correctly, and it is easy for the search engine to crawl your website, I assure you, you have completed the third category that would help your website rank on these search engine result pages. I'm sure that you are actually getting value from this mind-blowing content that I'm actually giving to you for free. Hey, what are you expected to do? Go down there to the comment section and say thank you for this mind-blowing information. As promised, would not just show you what SEO is, would show you these critical strategies that is involved in helping you optimize your website on a search engine. Before I leave you, I will leave you with some SEO best practices, some things you have to do naturally that would help your website rank. Number one, you should always focus on creating valuable, high quality content that address the pain point of your audience. When you do that, the search engine will see you as someone who always provides solutions to their problem. Then it would rank you. The very second thing you want to do is to ensure that you use relevant keywords. It is also very important that you try to know the search volume of your keywords before using them. Extremely important. How can you do that? You can make research online and you see so many tools that you use to do what? Search for the search volume of the keyword. And of course, you want to avoid something that we call keyword stuffing. Keyword stuffing basically is the act of you forcing your keyword into areas where it is not needed. This, instead of boosting SEO, will reduce the optimization that you are trying to achieve. Of course, you have to ensure that your website is fast, it is mobile friendly, and it is easy to navigate. Now, what have we achieved in this short section? We understand exactly what SEO is, we know how SEO works, and we also know these three main categories of SEO that can actually help us optimize our website on search engines. Do you remember the three categories? We mentioned on-page SEO, which includes you optimizing your content and keywords. We mentioned off-page SEO, which includes backlinks building and also building your online presence. And thirdly, we mentioned technical SEO. And this includes improving your site's back end for better user experience. And here is a quick overview of what SEO is. The truth remains that there is so much to learn about SEO. There are so many things you need to know. Yes, there are so many critical things that you also need to learn and see before you begin implementing SEO for your website. That is why we are recommending our complete beginners SEO course for you. So whether you are actually a novice, someone who knows nothing about SEO, or you're someone who has some basics on SEO, this course basically gives you more insight on SEO and helps you rank any website on the search engine. It gives attention to all of these aspects we've mentioned in this video, and something mind-blowing, it gives you direct support access. Yes, if there's anything you don't know how to do, the support section of this course will have live Zoom sections like this that would actually help you fix those problems. Yes, this SEO course is highly recommended. Now, because you are watching this video and getting this information from this video, you have a special coupon code. Check the description below. You will see the link to this course, and you will see the special coupon code that you will use to get a mind-blowing 70% discount. That is mind-blowing. Quick! Go use that coupon code to get that course. It is only for a limited time. And if you have not done so, ensure that you like this video. Ensure you subscribe to this channel. And also, ensure that you turn on post notifications so you can see mind-blowing videos when we drop them. We have some very, very beautiful educative videos on how you can make money legally on the internet that will be displaying on your screen right now. Ensure you watch that video, as I will be seeing you in that next video.